We turn left. This is one.
I've never done anything like this before. Probably the closest I've ever come is a roller coaster at Six Flags. Cannot wait to get up there.
A major problem occurs and you must eject from the aircraft. This will be done only on your pilot's order when he clearly instructs you, eject, eject, eject.
I'm Graham. Graham, like Graham Cracker.
Yep, that's right.
Pleasure to meet you.
Everything good, Graham?
Everything's good.
Good. Thank you. And we go for the roof. Okay. Ponies. And the blue come again. It's good, Graham.
Oh, what beautiful.
Okay.
Magnifique.
Do you want a fast roll to the left? Graham?
Yes, sounds great.
Okay.
How fast are we going to go?
You're gonna see. Ready? We turn left. We turn left. Okay. This is one. Same thing to the right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we go. Right, and we are gonna have two.
They'll say 22, catch
Yeah.
your approach 12.
Right, for runway 19 and third lane.
Here we are on the ground.
That was amazing. That was amazing. It was amazing. I want to go again. Can we go again? Go again.
Cool, I don't know who, but I'm ready.